In 20 years around cars, I've noticed something. Almost every driver stranded on the roadside says the same thing. It was acting weird, but I thought it would be fine. The truth? Cars rarely fail without warning. Some of these signs can destroy an engine in minutes. Others cost little early on, but thousands later. And the last symptom? Almost everyone has seen it. If your car shows even one of these signs, you may be closer to a tow truck than you think. Symptom number 11. Hard starting or clicking sound. If your car struggles to start, it's warning you that a complete no-start situation is coming soon. This symptom usually begins with the engine cranking slower than normal, especially in the morning or during cold weather. Sometimes you'll only hear a rapid clicking sound when you turn the key or press the start button. Many drivers ignore it because the car eventually starts. I've seen countless cases where drivers dealt with slow starts for weeks, only for the car to completely refuse to start in a grocery store parking lot or before work, leaving them stranded and late. Most starting problems come from a weak battery, a failing starter motor, or an alternator that is no longer charging properly. According to the American Automobile Association, battery-related failures account for nearly 1/3 of roadside assistance calls, especially during temperature extremes. When ignored, the strain spreads to other components, and what could have been a simple battery replacement becomes a breakdown requiring towing, and alternator or starter repairs costing $800 to $1,000 or more. The solution is straightforward. Test the battery once a year, replace weak batteries before winter or summer extremes, and inspect the charging system during routine service. Acting early prevents unexpected breakdowns and saves both money and stress. But sometimes, even when your car starts, the next warning drivers see is thick smoke pouring from the exhaust. Symptom number 10. Thick or colored exhaust smoke. If thick smoke starts coming from your exhaust, your engine is already in serious trouble. This symptom typically occurs while driving or when starting the car, and drivers notice unusual smoke from the tailpipe. White smoke may linger longer than normal on startup. Blue smoke may appear during acceleration, and black smoke can show up when pressing the gas. Many drivers initially think it's just condensation or cold weather. I've seen drivers continue driving for days with heavy smoke, only to end up stranded when the engine finally failed completely. Different smoke colors point to different problems. White smoke often means coolant is leaking into the engine due to a failing head gasket. Blue smoke indicates the engine is burning oil due to worn seals or piston rings. Black smoke indicates excessive fuel combustion due to injector or sensor issues. Once these conditions start, engine damage increases quickly. Ignoring smoke can lead to complete engine failure, with repairs easily climbing to $3,500 to $6,000 or more, compared to smaller early repairs, sometimes costing under $500 if caught quickly. The solution is to stop driving long distances, have the vehicle inspected immediately, and repair the issue before internal damage spreads. Because when smoke appears, your car is no longer whispering. It's screaming for help before leaving you stranded. Symptom number 9. Engine overheating. An overheating engine can destroy itself in minutes if you keep driving. This problem usually shows up when the temperature gauge climbs higher than normal, especially in heavy traffic during long uphill drives or on hot days. Some drivers also notice steam from under the hood or a warning message on the dashboard. Many people keep driving, hoping the temperature will drop once traffic clears. I once saw a driver continue for several miles with the warning light on, only for the engine to shut down completely and require a major rebuild. Overheating typically happens when the cooling system cannot control engine temperature, and it is caused by coolant leaks, a failing water pump, a stuck thermostat, or a clogged radiator. When coolant levels drop or circulation stops, heat builds quickly, causing metal engine parts to warp or crack. Fixing a leaking hose or replacing a thermostat early often costs $300 to $600. However, ignoring overheating can lead to warped cylinder heads or engine damage, which can cost $4,000 or more to repair or replace. The solution is simple. Stop driving immediately when the temperature rises. Allow the engine to cool, and repair cooling system issues quickly. Because when heat and wear keep building, the next warning often isn't under the hood at all. It's the sharp squealing or grinding sound you'll soon hear every time you press the brakes. Symptom number 8. Squealing or grinding brakes. If your brakes scream every time you slow down, your car is warning you that stopping power is fading. This symptom usually begins as a high-pitched squeal when you press the brake pedal. especially at low speeds. Many drivers turn up the radio and ignore it because the car still stops. I've seen drivers come in saying, "It's been making noise for months," only to discover the brake pads were completely worn out, and metal was grinding against the rotors. At that point, stopping distances increase, and braking feels rough or shaky. The noise is caused by brake pads wearing down over time. Pads are designed to last about 30,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on driving habits. Once the pad material is gone, the metal parts rub together, damaging rotors and sometimes even calipers. That damage spreads quickly, especially in stop-and-go driving. Replacing brake pads early typically costs $200 to $300, but waiting too long can push repair costs over $1,000. And more importantly, worn brakes increase accident risk because the car takes longer to stop. The solution is simple. Have your brakes inspected during routine tire service and replace pads before grinding begins. And when brake warnings get ignored, the next sign drivers often notice isn't noise. It's a strange smell coming from under the hood. Symptom number 7. Strange burning or sweet smells. If your car suddenly smells unusual, something under the hood is already overheating or leaking. This symptom usually shows up while driving or just after parking. Drivers may notice a sweet smell through the vents, a burning oil odor after a trip, or even a plastic-like smell inside the cabin. Many drivers assume it's coming from outside or from another vehicle. I remember a driver who kept driving despite a burning smell, only to see smoke start coming from under the dashboard minutes later due to an electrical issue. Different smells point to different problems. A sweet smell usually means coolant is leaking onto hot engine parts. Burning oil often results from leaking valve cover gaskets that drip onto the exhaust. A burning plastic smell can indicate overheated electrical wiring, while a burnt rubber smell may indicate slipping belts. These problems often start small but worsen quickly. Ignoring leaks or overheating parts can lead to engine damage or even fire risk. A simple hose or gasket repair may cost under $300, but engine repairs or electrical damage can easily exceed $3,000. The solution is to check for any new smells immediately, inspect fluid levels regularly, and repair leaks early before damage spreads. Because when leaks continue, drivers soon notice puddles forming under their parked cars. If you're finding this helpful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the signs that could save your engine from costly damage. And stay with me, because the next symptom isn't noisy at all. It's something you'll smell before you ever see it. Symptom number 6. Fluid leaks under the car. Those spots on your driveway are your car quietly crying for help. This symptom usually appears as small puddles or stains where your car has been parked overnight or at work. Many drivers ignore them because the car still drives normally. I once had a customer who noticed small red spots in his garage for months but assumed it wasn't serious. One day, his car suddenly stopped moving. The transmission fluid had dropped too low, leading to a very expensive repair. Fluid leaks commonly come from aging hoses, worn seals, loose drain plugs, or damaged gaskets. Green or orange fluid usually means coolant. Black or brown points to engine oil, while red fluid often indicates transmission fluid. These fluids are essential for cooling, lubrication, and smooth operation. When levels drop slowly, drivers may not notice until serious damage has already started. Ignoring leaks can lead to engine overheating or transmission failure. A small seal repair may cost only $200 to $400, but transmission rebuilds often reach $3,500 to $5,000, not including towing or lost time. The solution is simple. Regularly check under your car, monitor fluid levels monthly, and fix leaks early before they drain critical systems, because when vital fluids run low and damage begins to spread. The next warning drivers often notice is a troubling knocking or ticking sound coming from the engine. Symptom number 5. Engine knocking or ticking. If your engine starts knocking or ticking, metal parts inside are wearing out, and that damage only worsens over time. This symptom usually begins as a faint ticking or knocking sound, especially during acceleration or when the engine is cold. Many drivers assume the noise is normal and continue driving. I've seen drivers ignore that sound for weeks until one day the engine suddenly lost power and completely locked up, leaving them stranded on the roadside with no warning. Knocking or ticking happens when internal engine parts are not being properly lubricated or have already begun to wear. Low oil levels, failing oil pumps, worn engine bearings, or poor maintenance often cause these noises. Without sufficient oil pressure, Metal components rub directly against each other, causing damage that spreads quickly. Mechanics often say that once knocking starts, the engine is already under serious stress. Ignoring the noise can lead to full engine seizure, and replacing or rebuilding an engine can easily cost $5,000 or more, far more than fixing oil system problems early. The solution is to check oil levels regularly, change oil on schedule, and investigate unusual engine sounds immediately before damage spreads. When the engine damage reaches its final stage, the next thing drivers usually notice is their car losing power while driving. Symptom number 4, loss of power or sluggish acceleration. When your car suddenly feels heavy and slow to respond, something important is starting to fail. This symptom usually shows up when you press the gas pedal, and the car hesitates, struggles to climb hills, or takes much longer to reach highway speed. Many drivers think the car is simply getting old or blame poor fuel quality. I recall a driver who repeatedly said his car just didn't feel strong anymore, until one evening it lost power while merging into traffic and nearly caused an accident. Loss of power occurs when the engine isn't getting enough fuel, air, or proper ignition, which can be caused by clogged fuel filters, weak fuel pumps, dirty air filters, worn spark plugs, or failing sensors. When airflow or fuel flow is restricted, the engine works harder, burns more fuel, and performance drops. Research shows neglected fuel system issues can reduce fuel economy by 10 to 15%, costing drivers hundreds of dollars per year. If ignored, components like the fuel pump can overheat and fail, leading to repairs often costing $900 to $1,500, plus towing expenses and unexpected breakdown stress. The solution is simple. Replace filters on schedule, service the fuel system, and scan for sensor faults early to restore proper performance. Because when power loss continues, the next warning drivers usually notice is shaking and vibration while driving. Symptom number 3, rough idling or stalling. If your car shakes or struggles while standing still, it's warning you that something isn't right. This problem usually shows up when you're stopped at traffic lights or parked with the engine running. The car may vibrate, RPM may fluctuate, or the engine may suddenly shut off without warning. Many drivers assume it's just bad fuel or cold weather. One driver told me his car stalled once at a red light, then again a few days later in traffic, before finally dying in the middle of an intersection during rush hour. Rough idling occurs when the engine isn't receiving the proper air-to-fuel mixture, which can be caused by either dirty throttle bodies, worn spark plugs, weak ignition coils, vacuum leaks, or fuel delivery problems. According to roadside assistance data, engine misfires and stalling remain one of the leading reasons drivers get stranded. Ignoring the problem allows unburned fuel to damage the catalytic converter and increases engine wear, turning what could be a $300 repair into a $2,000 or more repair later. The solution is simple. Have the engine scanned early, clean the throttle body, and replace worn ignition parts before the problem worsens. Because when this warning gets ignored, the next sign usually appears when your car starts shaking or stalling at a traffic light. Symptom number 2, vibrations or shaking while driving. If your steering wheel starts shaking, your car is warning that something under the hood is wearing out or coming loose. This symptom typically occurs while driving at speeds between 50 and 70 miles per hour. Drivers feel vibration through the steering wheel, seat, or even the whole vehicle. Many assume the road surface is bad or the tires are just old. I once had a driver who ignored shaking for months, thinking it wasn't serious, until a suspension joint nearly failed during a highway trip, forcing an emergency repair. Shaking often results from unbalanced tires, bent rims, worn suspension components, or failing CV joints. When tires or suspension components aren't working smoothly, extra stress spreads across steering and wheel components. Tire industry studies show poorly balanced tires can shorten tire life by up to 20% and increase suspension wear. If ignored, vibration can damage suspension and steering parts, leading to repairs easily exceeding $1,000. Compared to a simple tire balance or alignment costing $60 to $120 early on, the solution is straightforward. Rotate and balance tires regularly, inspect suspension parts during service visits, and fix issues early before damage spreads. Because when vibration problems are ignored, drivers soon start hearing an even louder warning every time they press the brakes. Symptom number 1, check engine light. That little orange light is your car quietly begging for help. Most drivers notice it while driving normally. However, they assume it's not urgent because the car still runs fine. They keep driving for weeks or even months. I once had a customer who ignored the light for half a year because the car felt okay. One morning, the engine suddenly lost power on the highway, and he ended up needing a tow truck instead of getting to work. In many cases, the problem starts small. Something like a loose gas cap, a failing oxygen sensor, or a minor misfire. Repair statistics show nearly 60% of check engine light issues cost under $300 if fixed early. But when ignored, issues such as misfires can cause unburned fuel to overheat the catalytic converter. And replacing that part alone can easily cost $2,000 or more. The good news is the fix is often simple. Most auto parts stores will scan the code for free, allowing you to address the issue before it becomes serious. Acting early protects fuel economy, engine performance, and your wallet. Before your car leaves you stuck on the roadside, it always gives you small chances to fix the problem cheaply. And most drivers miss them. The difference between a simple repair and a huge repair bill is usually just timing. So here's the real takeaway. Don't wait for the breakdown to force the decision. Tell me in the comments which sign you're fixing first, and subscribe, because the next video might save you from your next big repair bill.